Hey everyone, if you want to see our DIY project of our Florida melting snowman, stay tuned and follow along. Okay, so this is our DIY snowman. We saw this online and we thought, oh, we could totally make this. So we bought the thicker poster board, Dollar Tree. Unfortunately, I had to go to Hobby Lobby for this. All their holiday stuff is 50% off, but unfortunately this wasn't included. So this is the most expensive piece out of the whole entire thing that we're having to do. So at the end of the build, I'll give you the price list of exactly what it cost us to build him. So there he is. And we're gonna get him going too. So.
Oh, and I had to put a flat spot on the bottom.
Oh yes, that way he'll sit flush to the top of the.
I just put it on the ground and mushed it back and forth.
So today I'm the cameraman. And the hubby's gonna. What you need?
Let me have that box. I don't want to have this extra glue come out on the poster board we're trying to use. Then we're going to cut out the extra. But
right. Right.
Waiting for it to warm up.
All right. So this will be interesting because then once this is dry, then we have the spray foam. This is the spray foam snowman. Then we're gonna spray foam him. Start the circles and circle and circle. And then we'll put his eyes in, his buttons on the front. We got some lights to put on him. And I couldn't find a snowman hat because all that crafting stuff, Joanna's, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, it was all sold out. So he's gonna wear Mickey ears. Because we used to have a blow-up. We had a blow-up snowman that wore Mickey ears. And it looked like the one in the old commercial. That was great. Good stuff. So this is our little to-do. This part we're going to get done while the boys are snoozing. And then we'll see about doing the foam out later with Big C up. Because he's just been so inquisitive lately. And he just wears himself out. It's so funny. All right, so we're gluing. Oh, hush.
Your fans. It's only about halfway around, but maybe it'll stick enough that we can.
It's way over on this side. There we go. That looks pretty good. Yeah.
Maybe just run a bead around the outside of it now.
Okay.
Like here, you know?
Yeah.
So I have to warm up a little bit in between. It's not a very big glue gun.
No, this is what size they are, and they're all different. This is our original one. We have one of the two of these gets super hot, and once it gets started, watch out.
So now I'm going to turn it over to make it easier to put the glue right here. This is already glued, so I'm going to start here.
Just to give you an idea what we're doing, the Hubs is doing.
Too many years of industrial work.
What?
Too many years of industrial work. It's just like being at work.
Oh.
welding. You would prep the same way for regular welding.
Well then, yeah, but we do all kinds of stuff with all this glue, all these things, so, yeah. But we like to do stuff like this.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just excited that we finally got a chance to do it this year. Usually all the appointments keep us super busy. Now we finally, it's great. I'm enjoying it. But like I said, this year I'm the camera guy.
The best part about these little projects is you really can't mess them up too bad. We live in Florida, and if it's a Florida snowman, he would look like he's melting.
True, very, very true.
Get a little bit more in here. I think that's going to do it.
All right, then now we're just gonna wait for him to dry on that part. Oh, we have to glue the bottom on too.
Does it say do that? Okay.
Yeah, because then once he's all made, then if I remember right, what we were watching in the video, then you cut the outsides off. You know, around the bottom once it's done. You're just being so fussy out there. Shh.
Right.
Wonder if we have a hawk in the area. The squirrels usually don't complain so much unless there's like a predator. Usually it's the hawks. Or the owls, actually. The owls have been pretty vocal lately.
The owls pick them off good too.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
There we go.
There it is.
And
Yeah, but does he go after we start, before or after? We'll give it a shot. We'll put it together.
it's okay. A little bit of pressure.
There we go.
All right, now we're just waiting for the glue to dry and then we'll start foaming. It'll be interesting to see how this works out. But there he is. There's our Florida melting snowman body. This is before the snow.